Hello, friends. So today we have a very beautiful mix of brown, blonde, and silver. This is the color 4, color 27, and silver. It's pretty repetitive motion to mix the hair. You're going to take the hair from the bottom and put half of it on top of that other piece that's already in your hand, and then you will pull from the middle, and this is how you would begin to blend. Make sure you stay tuned to the end so that you're able to see the mini tutorial on how you would use this hair and feed in to make knotless braids. And also while you're blending, make sure you stop throughout to detangle the hair with the detangling brush just so it doesn't become so tangled that you're not able to continue to blend it. So right here, I'm going to be pointing out how that gray or silver is standing out and making sure I pull right there in that spot so I can go ahead and break it up and make sure that the colors are evenly blended. So right here, I'm just doing the finishing touches. I'm making sure that the bottom is even as far as the length, and then I'm going to cut off those little scraggly ends so that when I go to braid, the hair is even at the bottom and my ends aren't super thin. Then I also like to close it out with some oil sheen just so as the hair is sitting, it doesn't dry out too much. And then I brush in that oil sheen, and you can already see how the colors are popping, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful blend. So let's get into how I feed hair. Although I'm going to do a little talking, it's just way easier to watch than it is to listen to me. So you're going to take your hair and split it into 3 pieces, and that is the base that you will use through the foundation of braiding. You want those 3 pieces so you know where you're adding a piece. I like to make a C and put that C between my thumb and my index finger on the middle piece of the braiding, or a middle piece of my actual hair. And I'm going to continue this motion several times so that you're able to see what I'm doing. When that piece gets to the middle, I take a piece of the braiding hair, I make a C like this, and I put that C in between my thumb and my index finger, and then I continue to braid. So one piece of the braiding hair is going to the middle leg of your hair, and then the other piece on the outside, which could be the left or the right, depending on how you like to hold your braid. Making that C, putting it in my index and my thumb finger, and beginning to braid, continuing to braid. And you will do this several times until you get to your desired stopping point for your braid. And I will also show you how to close out your braid in just a few moments. So this is the end of the braid. Let me know how you're feeling this color. I was really feeling it. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next color mix, and let me know if you have any particular colors you want to see in the comments, and let me know if you would rock this. I like to call this Ashley Blonde. It is available on my website at braidplicity.com. All the information will be in the details, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day.